Hey, this is Rob with South Main Travelers, and I have got some really cool tips I want to share with you if you're going on a cruise, and we'll get to that right after this. All right, one of the first tips I want to share with you, is if you decide that you want to save some money, really go on a budget, you want to book that interior room, but you're worried about being able to see or anything like that at night. What we did is we got a couple of these that came in a 2-pack. Got it off Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down at the bottom. They are motion sensor automatic night lights, so they go off, and you have multiple levels of light. They are magnetizable. They're magnetized. They have magnets in it, so they will stick to those metal walls inside the staterooms. We put one. You'll see. I took a video. We put one near the baseboard area of the room, and we put one inside the bathroom on the counter. Now the counters it's all kind of a plastic material. All that inside the bathroom is all a plastic material, so it wouldn't stick to very much inside the bathroom. So we just set it up on the counter, and we closed the door. I turned the lights out, closed the doors. This still picked up motion, so it works in very, very low light conditions. It was very good at detecting motion. I actually had to put a trash can in between the bed and the night light because it would detect my feet moving. If I moved my feet or if I rolled over, it would actually detect the motion and it would light up a little bit. So I put the trash can up next to it, had it sitting down real low so it couldn't at least see right at the bed. But as soon as I got up and started to walk, it would detect that. It would light up. Not a lot, and like I said, you can turn these different light levels. It would light up, and you wouldn't have to worry about stubbing your toe in the middle of the night. It also wasn't so bright that it would wake up your partner. Another thing I want to share with you, these, I got a pack of 3 here. It's the Euro style outlet adapter. It's just literally an adapter for your, you can see, just plugs right in. It's got the Euro style connection, and it's got a plug there. I got hands, and then one up top. So you could put like a phone charger up top, the little block, and then you've got a grounded outlet on the bottom of that. So that was really neat. Another one I would recommend, look into some of these waterproof phone cases. Got these really inexpensive. Got a pair of them. I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, so it's the bigger of the phones, and it fit in here with the case on when we were out and about this last cruise. So it's a really good size phone. I also recommend getting the luggage tags. I'll put a link to these as well. They have a steel cable up top. A lot of times they say staple it here, tape it here. Those things are so easy to tear. Of course, you'll see the towel clips. You can pick these up for $1 and like Dollar Tree and everything's $1 and stuff like that. You can get these things for $1, a pack of 6 for $1. One other thing, get a first aid kit. We got a little first aid kit. It was a pre-made first aid kit, really small and easy, compact. I had to take the scissors out. You want to make sure you look for anything that would be considered contraband on the airlines. I took the scissors out of there, and I added a couple things. I added some ibuprofen and acetaminophen in the little, like the two bottles that I can refill. I've had those for a while, so I put those in there, and it's just got the BandAids. It's got a couple of the necessities, the essentials. I got the packets of the Neosporin and stuff, so you get a little scrape or cut, some various little things. You kind of make it to suit your needs. But those are just a few tips I wanted to throw out there. One other thing, I got this Harbor Freight, really cheap. It too is also got a magnet on the back, so this will stick to the wall. It's much brighter. This isn't something you're going to want to use as a night light because, one, it takes a push button and it has a light at the bottom, but it will light up a space if for some reason there was a electrical issue in your cabin and you want to see. It's one of those probably never going to use it, but great to have it if you needed it kind of things. that's really about it for this set of tips. If I think of any more, I'll put them out there. If you've got anything that you'd like to share, put it down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, if you found this informative, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button for notifications, and keep following us. We'll be putting more stuff out. But for now, this is Rob with South Main Travels. I hope I see you out there in the cruise, and we'll see you later.